Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? I hope that you all are fantastic and Alhamdulillah, just like you all, I'm also doing great. This is Hobbygon's District Commissioner Office. There is a very beautiful painting of Bangabandhu. Many people come here in the afternoon to spend their time with their friends. The environment here is very beautiful and charming. Actually, I went to graphics design class. I have missed a lot of classes due to illness for a long time, so I thought I should attend the class today as I'm healthy. And it feels a little boring to go home alone, so I thought making a video to pass my time. And the another reason for making videos is that I think I need to get used to in front of camera. And yeah, if I do any mistake, please pardon me. I am going home passing by the college and suddenly I feel like eating fuchka. But already it's getting late and I have to go home now. Otherwise, my brother will punish me. So from now, I will try to make short videos like this. I hope you will like it. And yeah, finally I'm in front of the house and I think I shouldn't make video now. So everyone, tata, take care, Allah Hafiz.